This is the north elevator on the north wing side at the Nebraska Student Union, University of Nebraska-Lincoln. This is the Dover Impulse from 1999. It was about in, I think, 26 or 27 years ago.
Yes.
Let's start where we're down first, so here we go.
Yes.
Still got the original impulse lanterns on the indicator over the doors, but the inside is still got modernized. LL for lower level. This is the rear door on the back. Here are lower level, or LL. Let's go with the 2. Going up. There it goes. Now listen to this epic motor. Here we go. Pretty epic. Let's go down to P for plaza level. That motor's pretty epic. It's got the Dover blue. Mom's like colors blue. It's just your basic Dover Impulse elevator. Your fixtures, again, Innovation Bouger fixtures. Your phone right there. Inspection is a Dover. Capacity is 2100. And here we are. And there it goes. That's it.